So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time.
Okay guys, today I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna tackle Kennedy's closet. And if you think this is bad, you should see her car. Not even kidding. The lighting's not great in here, but she has, these are the posters that were on the side of her car for homecoming. She has just some things hanging. She has great organization as far as like the closet organizers. Like, I think she has a lot of space. She has the bottom hangers and the top hangers, but she's got a dirty clothes basket, and she has all the dirty clothes everywhere. I don't even know how the kid has clean clothes for school, but we do keep the things she wears the most washed. But she has the most closet space, I would say. She has, and then this one has fallen. We're gonna have to fix that. I guess it just goes in this little track. But we have several things in here that's not even hers. Like, we have some water from just jugs of water in case of an emergency, because COVID, for example, is a good example of you never know when you're gonna have electric or water or anything else. So we do have some jugs of water down there. But yeah, her closet, I think she could, and I guess that's a box of stuff too, like from where they hung this stuff and left it. So I guess there's more shelves in there. We'll get it out and see. But yeah, I'm gonna tackle this mess. And I did make her bed just so that I would have a place to put stuff as I empty the closet, because I'm gonna empty all of this out. So let's get started. So please tell me somebody else's kid's closet looks like this. Just tell me and make me feel better, whether it does or not. But her closet was awful, and we didn't organize or go through anything when we moved in. But when we moved in, her clothes were hanging up and everything was in its place. When she's home for like a 2-hour stretch, she's either doing homework or taking a shower and getting ready for her next job. So there's not really a lot of time for her to do anything. But she could put her clothes in the clothes basket. This morning, she tried on a shirt and came back out with a different shirt on, and I found that shirt laying in the bottom of the closet this morning. So she doesn't hang anything back up. If she tries something on and changes, she just leaves it laying there. So she could do better, and she needs to do better. There's just no excuse for that. But I was just going through and giving it a little organization anyway. I watched some YouTube videos on closet organization, and I'm just not those people. Like, they had all their white clothes together and black clothes together and this big IKEA setup, and that's just not me. We just have normal shelves, and I just need to hang clothes. I did go through and put jeans together and shirts together and stuff like that, but I'm not the IKEA mom that has clothes color coordinated, matching hangers and all that stuff. That's just not who we are. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm putting all the clothes on the bed, and then I'm going to sort them out. I'm going to put like all of her ball uniforms together, and I'm going to put like all of her hoodies and things like that together, and her pants. But first I'm just taking everything out, and I'm going to put all of the dirty clothes in this dirty clothes basket. And then I have a pile for trash. And if I think she doesn't wear it often, then I'm going to hang it toward the back. But if she does wear it a lot, then I'm going to put it like more toward the front. Or maybe I'll put things like ball uniforms and things she don't wear a lot over that side. I'm not sure. I have no idea. No rhyme or reason. But yeah, she has some dirty clothes going on. Definitely has some dirty clothes going on. Pillow for her bed that her dogs shoot up, so I'm gonna put that in the trash. Still just dirty clothes.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
so I've got this side cleaned out. We need to paint there. I've got this side cleaned out, so let's start on the other side. And this is the mess so far. Yeah, it's gonna be a project for sure.
make it to, if not says who, yeah, you can make it to, if not says who, you can make it. You had great patience.
And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with being color coordinated and having the IKEA shelves and all the closet organization, because if you do that, you're awesome and you're killing it. And I want to be like you one day, but today's not the day. But we just have plain stuff, and I'm not going to go spend a bunch of money on something that we don't need. We don't need that. We just need things hung up and put in its place and organized the best we can. I low-key think she's a hoarder, guys. If she'll let me, I'll film her car and I'll clean it out and let you see how bad it is. I almost died when I got in her car, and I by no means am the neatest person in the world, but this kid is a hoarder. I mean, I think she's going to make TLC one day. She's going to be on an episode, but she has no organization in her life at all.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying.
So like I said before, I didn't have any of the fancy shelves or hangers or anything like that. And I didn't go buy anything for this project either. This is just the stuff that came with the house when we bought it. This is how the closet was. And I feel like out of all of her closets, she has the best one. She has the wall-to-wall closet, the double doors, and she just has the room. And when I walk in there to put clothes away or to put her shoes in their place or just whatever, I just feel so overwhelmed or smothered when I go in there and look at that. So I know she has to feel that way too. So for everyone's mental health, I thought I would give it that a little bit of organization. But yeah, it does feel overwhelming, especially when you empty everything out. You've got the mess all over the floor, all over the bed. And you look at that and it's so overwhelming. But I promise this didn't take me probably 30 minutes, not even kidding. And it doesn't take long. And once you get started, you just feel better and you feel like doing it and you just get into it and you get it done. And when everything's pulled out like that, you have no other choice but to get it done. So yeah, that's that's what I did today, this morning. And I feel like when she comes in and sees this space all organized and cleaned, I think she's going to feel a lot better. It has to make you feel better mentally to walk into a clean space, because I feel like cluttered space, cluttered mind, and it just gets to me. A mess gets to me, and I just don't see how you thrive in the chaos. And I'm not saying she doesn't, because she does. It's organized chaos, I guess, for her. But yeah, she just needs to do better about putting stuff away and things like that. And I really feel like she's got too much on her plate at this point, and we've tried to encourage her to quit one of her jobs, and she don't want to. And so I guess if she's able to do it, that's fine. That's her choice. She doesn't have to work at all. She just chooses to. But yeah, I put everything back in there. Put t-shirts together, pants together, uniforms together. I tried to bunch everything up together and put the things that she wears more often on the outside. But this closet will be a lot more full once I get her laundry done, because it was so bad. I feel like she had so many things dirty. There was a bathroom full of things as well that was hers, and I threw in the washer. So once I get all those clothes hung back up and everything clean, I feel like it's just going to be a better space for her.
I hope I miss somebody who's better than you. That likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about playing ticket. Playing ticket. Playing ticket. A whole new start. I'm gonna get away from it all.
I wanna give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you.
So this feels so much better, just to walk in her room and put her laundry away that I've done. It feels so good to have that space cleaned and organized, and just to see what she has and what's clean and what's dirty and where everything belongs. It's just nice to have a place for everything. And her drawers under her bed and her dresser and stuff are the same way. And I need to go through those and organize those. And I'm sure there's a ton of things in there that I need to wash. But if I need cleaning motivation of any kind, or organization ideas or anything like that, I usually watch a YouTube video on cleaning or organization or something. So I hope that I'm the motivation for you. I hope if you watch this, it gives you some motivation to get up and go through your kids' closet, or go through your own closet and get everything out and just put everything back with a place for everything, a place for shirts, pants, whatever. But it just feels so much better to have all of that done.
I wanna catch you like every time that you fall.
So this is what it looks like after I got everything done. There's still water down there, but I put all of her ball uniforms here, her ball pants and her jerseys. This is just like old shirts, like from where she was in Scholars Bowl and things like that. Put a couple of her nice dresses there. This is Allison and Lexi and just everybody else's stuff that I found in her closet. It either got mixed in with the move, or we've just put it in there with laundry. So I just hung that to the side. But then she's just got her little poster there from where she was in homecoming. And over here I put her good shirts that she wears more often there. I put her pants and leggings there that were clean. She's just got some stuff in this tub, like just Beta Club, Scholars Bowl, things like that, that she wants to keep. And then shoes there that are not in her card. These are the shoes she has to wear for work with that red tablecloth dress she's got. So just hang her, there. And then some hoodies and just long sleeve shirts that she's got there. A lot of her stuff is dirty. So there's what she's got left as far as dirty clothes. And this is all the towels I found in her closet. So that's a load itself. And then all of the trash that I've got to pick up that was in her closet. But so much better. It looks a lot better. At least there's some organization going on. And like I said, I think she's got the most closet space in the whole house. So she is very blessed there. And we've got some more things up there that we can add to, like more shelves and stuff in that box. So we need to go through that and see what all that is. But yeah, I think it looks so much better. Definitely better than before.